The experimental nitrogen hypoxia will be subject testing experimental method nitrogen hypoxia. Since a prisoner albama. Lawyers. Judges to refuse request to fulfill death penalty by using new state. In a court file on Friday, Kenneth Eugene Smith lawyers asked Supreme Court Alabama to reject request for a detection of execution for Smith using new execution method State Chief Public Prosecutor.not used to deposit. Kenneth Eugene Smith Alabama Correction Section Smith's lawyers argued that there was little information about how the state's nitrogen executions will work, and that the proposed protocol had only published a corrected copy. The state is trying test the subject of to be executed by protocol carry out that has not been tested and recently released by new nitrogen hypoxia method. Lawyers. Smith's November that the state tried to kill him through a deadly injection has already passed a unsuccessful attempt, said. Alabama Correction Department. Execution team of the 2 intravenous line of Smith gave up execution. His lawyers said he had Smith's ongoing objections and accused Smith trying to carry Smith in front of the line to discuss his case that challenged the deadly injection procedures. Smith. Former Alabama State Senator Trip Pittman, who proposes the new execution method, objected to criticism that the method was experimental. Smith was sentenced to the rental killing of Elizabeth Sennett in Colbert District, Alabama. John Forrest Parker, who prosecutors said he was paid money to kill Elizabeth Sennett, was executed in 2010. Alabama has experienced some problems in recent years. In September 2022, Alabama called the execution of Miller because of difficulty in accessing the prisoner's veins. Told. At least Alabama accepted the problems related to venous access during a deadly injection. It took more than 3 hours to execute state for the of Joe Nathan James in July 2022. He reported that he was against execution. And in 2018, after he could not establish an intravenous line, Alabama called the execution of Doyle Hamm. According to the Death Penalty Information Center, Alabama has 167 prisoners during death.